To find gallbladder 2 on your left side, notice the small flap that is just in front of your ear canal. That is called the tragus. Next, put your finger just in front of the notch that is below the tragus. Now, open your mouth. Press in and find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is gallbladder 2. This is a sensitive area and gentle treatments are best. Activate gallbladder 2 by gently rubbing the area 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate gallbladder 2 on your other side.